And we're just gonna take a happy little dog and place him right there on the grill. You can put him anywhere, off to one side or the other, and if he's looking a little lonely, we're gonna just add a little friend for him right there. You know, we don't want any lonely dogs, so, you can do whatever you like. I'm gonna add maybe another friend there. And let's just put one friend here. Now it's your grill. You can put as many dogs on it as you'd like. We're just gonna let those puppies cook now, just a little bit. It's been 10 long minutes. Let's take a look at our happy little dogs. Oh, just look at the little lovelies. Now we're gonna take and just spice them up a little bit with some mustard here. We're just gonna throw a little bit there, a little dollop on that one. And now this guy, he looks like he wants some mustard too. So we're gonna put some mustard on him.
Don't put any mustard on my dog, you'll ruin it.
Cooking with Josephus, we don't ruin food. We make delicious accidents.